Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at steps to disable the page that prompts you to finish setting up Windows 11. So sometimes after installing an update or simply after restarting the computer, Windows may show the Let's Finish Setting Up Your Device page to try to get you into configuring other specific features or services that you might not need or you might even be already using, such as OneDrive and Microsoft 365. Microsoft even uses this page to try to get you to switch to the Microsoft Edge browser if you're using another application. Yes, as you can see right here, the page also includes a continue button to proceed with the suggestions, and instead of an option to stop receiving this message, you only get the remind me in 3 days option, or sometimes you even see it as a remind me later option. Once you click this button, you will eventually be shown the same page again and again in different circumstances, which might be frustrating. So now, if you want to stop your device from showing you this particular page, you have to find and configure a specific feature, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything, and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Also remember that you can check my website for more tutorials and tech news. To prevent Windows 11 from showing the page to finish setting up your device, do this. Open Start and look for Settings. Then go to System and then go to Notifications. Then scroll down, click on Additional Settings, and then clear the Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Now, this is the only option that you have to clear. However, if you want to prevent the system from suggesting tips, you want to clear this option as well. And if you don't want to see the Windows welcome experience after an update, you can clear this option as well. Now, you can also disable the Let's Finish Setting Up Your Device page through the registry. But remember that using the registry is risky if you don't do it correctly, so it is recommended to create a backup before proceeding. You have been warned. So to use the registry, do this. Open Start and look for the registry. Then you want to go to this path. HKey, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, user profile engagement. And here you're going to find this deep word, and what you want to do is just to right click on it and select the modify option, and then make sure to set the value from 1 to 0, click OK, and then restart the computer to apply the changes. Now, if you want to reset the configuration, simply open the same path on the registry, but then change the value from 0 to 1. So just for the demo, now to show you that the registry works, I'm going to enable the option. And then as you can see, the value is set to 1, but now we're going to set it to 0 and then click OK. Then open Settings. Then we're going to go to the same location. And as you can see, now the feature has been disabled. I know that I didn't restart the computer, but most of the time it's recommended to restart the computer to make sure that the settings apply correctly after editing the registry. And that's it. That's how you disable the page asking you to finish setting up your device upon restart. Now, let me know in the comments the option that you use, and also remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.